Be strong.
Are you ready to add the most vibrant, adorable design to your inventory? Get ready for a splash of summer magic. Introducing the stunning Sunflower Butterfly Girl. With her beautiful hair and bright sunflowers, she's pure joy and sunshine in one transfer. This high-detail transfer is a must-have for summer collections and personalized gifts. The vibrant greens, blues, and yellows pop beautifully on any garment. The Eco Solvent Transfer ensures a perfect capture of details and saturation. Just press it with your heat press or iron, and you're ready. Skip the cutting and printing hassle. Grab this beautiful, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunction.com and bring some sunshine to your shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Be strong.